Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill in shapes on Procreate. So for example, this is my drawing. So I'm drawing a circles and then I want to fill in my circles. So I can just drag the color on the top right corner and then drag to the shape that I want to fill in. Then I can also tap continue filling, and then you can just tap the white colors, the color that I want to fill in, and then so you see that now the outline is still there, but it's filled with the color blue. So that's the fast way to fill in colors without having to drag the color to each of the shapes. So that's it, and thank you for watching.